Wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like Ada Jesus go come back in the next 3 years. Hello, my people. It's your girl Nneka Queen TV. My people, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. It depends on your time and the location where you dey, where you go take come across this video when I do. This story when I bring come out so now two in one video. You know, say this our China na so tori now we dey knack because our Nigeria where we get our Obodo Nigeria tori no dey finish show every day every minute na tori dey come out for this our Obodo Nigeria. So that Jesus husband don't come out, come let us know say his wife go come back in the next 3 years. Say his wife yeba Peme say e still dey her life. My people, this one hard though. This one I don't know wetin I want talk about this one because everybody know say Ada Jesus don't go. Even at the burial pictures and the video, na the burial videos now na the watch so where they take do a burial. So as his husband come back, come see they let us know say a wife still dey alive. Say a wife go come back in the next 3 years. Whether he go come back as a newborn baby or he go come back as a Ada Jesus where he be as a adult. Now that one people don't know. A lot of people say maybe he don't they get score for brain. A lot of people talk different things for the comment section when I foresee this video. Say whether the man, whether he dey okay, Sunday he sort out so they talk another thing. But for me, I believe say person wey you love, it dey hard for him to believe say a lovely wife don't go. No matter hard quarrel wey person wey they don't get, you know say husband and wife you must get quarrel. So the man love his wife so much, so it dey hard am to believe say his wife don't go. But this one when he can say he go come back in the next 3 years, now that one I not can understand though, because even when Jesus Christ died, Jesus Christ resurrect 3 days. He not stay 3 months before he come back. So and that Jesus husband, I don't know how he believe say his wife go come back in the next 3 years. That one hard though. Make they take care of the man, no, because this one when he dey talk, so he dey talk out of point. So make they take good care of the man. Make it not come be saying a psychological problem now he get due to the wetin happen to his wife. So my people, the second story when I want knack for now, so now wetin happen for Benin Auchi road, you know say that road dey hot well. Every time na bandit dey come out, they kidnap people for that road. Every time, you know say that road lead to different places where people they pass from Auchi or from other places they go Auchi or other places. So bandits no dey let them they see road for that road. Every time kidnapping. Now bandits they kidnap people for that road. Unknown gunmen bandits. Now every time they disturb. So the people and the drivers they can't say no, enough is enough. They can't gather block the road, say nobody go, nobody go pass, come back. Say this one don't tire them. Say make Governor Godwin Obaseki make he can't know what they go do for this one. And make Buhari make he can't know what he go do for this one, because Buhari people not let them see road. Buhari bandits, you know say bandits now from Buhari people. So Buhari no want talk anything about this bandit issue where be say that they kidnap people, because then they already let us know openly say bandits now business now that they do. So kidnapping now one lucrative business now where Fulani people can they do now for Nigeria, where be say they not they let people they rest, they go kidnap people, they demand big money for them. They say even if police come there, soldiers come there, army come there, they not they feel do anything. And if they call them, they not they quick come. They go wait, make they do what they want to finish, make kidnap finish before they show that place. My people, that road they very risky. Anybody where they pass through that road, make una they very careful, because the rate where Fulani X-Men and bandits they stop for that Benin Auchi road, they say not be small thing. They say the thing don't tire them, they don't fed up for this thing. Now make they come and say enough is enough. May they can't know what they go do. Una go see the video for there where they lay their complaint out. May not be saying that may they use my mouth, they talk and we not saying security for Nigeria now something else, and they don't want to do anything about it. They just channel their energy for people where be say they not be problem of Nigeria. When the problem of Nigeria they don't want to talk about it, because they say bandits what they do, they support them. So anyway, my people, now come bring this two story come and say make una watch. I beg una watch finish. Wanna not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. I beg now make una share the video, and make una not forget to drop una comment for the comment section and try to like our video. So my people, now I go drop this story. So I beg if una watch finish, subscribe to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. So I go see you now for my next video. I beg subscribe to Nneka Queen TV. Bye for now.
She's still alive. She will be back soon again. And that Jesus is coming back again. This my word, I don't know how people will understand it. But believe me, that Jesus have not yet died. She's coming back again soon as possible. Before 3 years, people will be surprised. She will be back.
Can you hear that? This is coming from the husband of social media influencer and comedian.
Good morning, Nigeria. This is Benin Aochi Road. The road is completely blocked by drivers that are plying the road. As you can see, reporting live from Benin Aochi Road, there was a vehicle that was attacked yesterday night and was riddled with bullets. And the passengers were kidnapped. And the driver is currently here. Driver, please, can you tell us what happened yesterday night?
Yesterday at about 5:30.
Yes.
They come from Ekoma to Benin. So all of a sudden they are all entered there.
Yes.
Start shooting. So they shoot. Then bullet enter and they shoot my motor. Then the gun meet my passenger.
Your passenger was not on the front or the back? At the front seat.
But the rest was safe.
Yes.
So I tried to.
What time is this, sir?
5:30.
5:30 in the evening. So it's not around 6.
No,
5:30.
5:30.
So there were there police security operatives?
Yes, I passed one checking point at Moat House, the other side down.
Okay.
Then the other one was army.
Yeah, okay. So it means that there were about one or two security checking points, roadblock on the road. So where is the passenger that was shot? Where is the passenger present? The hospital. Oh, you are not aware of whether it's safe or not, whether it's on a good head.
No, I believe it's
Okay, it's safe. So what is now leading to the blockage of this road now, as it stands now? The government should come and give you reasons why there is insecurity in the road. Oh,
the whole passenger.
They are inside the bush. So what do you want to tell the Nigerian government, the state government?
Government will come and tell us what is happening here.
They should come and tell you. So if the government is not, you not come now, you will not open the road.
No.
That's what you are not saying. Yes. So we are now calling on the state government to take charge.
Yes.
The Obaseki should come and take charge. Because Benin Aochi Road is located in Edo State. That Obaseki should come and take charge. Her axis in particular. Thank you very much. You have another thing to say, sir? Are you a driver on this road?
Yes, I'm the driver.
So what's the issue, sir?
We don't get security for this Nigeria.
There should be security.
Why?
Improvement in security.
They want drama. They wait after they carry back people, they do good. Everywhere in the day. We don't get that for this Nigeria here.
Okay.
Take drone there, they don't enter bush. Where the man to go? When police unit are going to they will come back. Who get bush? Who don't go bring they come out?
So what's your advice, sir? What's your advice? The government should come and take charge.
Okay, when did they campaign that day?
Yes.
Wait, when did they campaign that day? They get out the country, they will come for up.
Yes.
Okay, when they kidnap now, when they go down, say, when they carry that bush.
So let us know that this is the car that was riddled with bullets. Luckily for the driver escaped. As you can see, the driver is apparently here. He that held him, but he was lucky that the bullet did not get to him. And these passengers, and a passenger was affected. So the state government should come and take charge because the state is not safe for Benin Aochi Road in particular. Yes. Okay, what do you have to say for us, sir?
No, like that, yesterday we were in the garage.
Yes.
Not even this man. No, this man was the second person that came.
Okay.
The other person came.
Yes.
But when they carry the whole passengers,
yes.
When he discovered that their bullet has finished,
yes.
So the other Fulani guy was with gun. So he started beating that guy, carrying stick. So when that Fulani guy became weak, that was how the driver escaped.
Okay.
So he came to the garage. He said all of them, they were Fulani people.
Okay, you are very sure.
Very, very sure. The guy was saying it in the garage.
Okay.
Look at people, we are there.
Okay.
He was saying it. Another person that even managed to escape.
Yes.
Before even this one again.
Yeah.
About that man said that I was one of the victims.
Okay.
3 months ago.
Okay.
But they kidnapped me.
Wow.
But God intervened. After 3 days.
You were released.
I was released. Because of the way God intervened.
Yes.
But the way they were handling people there, And the people that kidnapped me, they also Fulani also, 6 of them. I saw them, I was with them. So I was one of the victims. The government is supposed to compensate me.
And you paid ransom for before you were released, Oga?
No.
Okay. But the government security officials came to release you?
No. They are the one. I say God in heaven. I pray. God heard my prayer.
Okay.
They are the one that lead us, tell me to go.
So you mean that they freed you without collecting ransom from you?
Yes.
But after spending 3 days and 3 nights with them?
Yes.
So we want to say that the government should take charge. That's the whole essence.
This road now has been so hot, has been so uncomfortable. For every commuters in this road, what is happening?
We are aware that drivers in this road are going to Abuja,
this guy don't happen any other place.
It's taken
in the whole south. It's only this
place. The police, soldier, and the all of them should come and take charge of the security of the road.
Honestly,
okay.
If it requires them to use diabolic means, let them use diabolic means, enter bush. Because of people are going every day. People are being kidnapped every day. These are the indigenous and citizens of this state.
Ladies and gentlemen, passengers are stranded. Ladies and gentlemen, passengers are stranded.
They are stranded. To tell the two state to buy a reporter.
Okay.
Begin to patrol. And the policeman is suggesting to them that they should buy ammo car, and begin to patrol this road 24 hours. So we are not saying we will not leave the road, or we will not leave this road until they answer us.
So who do you want to come before?
Let the government to go to our aid by releasing those ones that have been kidnapping.
Oh, some people in the bush already.
Some people in the bush. Our people cannot continue suffering in the bush. I want you to video this. They are sending. This is the remote that has made us escape the kidnapping.
Mr. Driver, sir, for information, this video is going straight to the governor. As it stands to be there, Nigeria will be.
Let it be there.
You want the government to come to our
aim.
No problem.
We cannot continue like this.
No problem.
We cannot be traveling and holding our mind.
So the governor should come.
Yes.
This photo, this police photo.
Yes.
You get camera.
Okay.
They remove it.
Okay.
About a month ago, they launched 3 drums on this road.
Okay.
They are not working.
Okay.
They are not working. When you are paying somebody's salary, it's not working. What do?
You take charge.
Now we are paying 100 naira on this road to police every day. We are not secure. Generating revenue to government. We are not secure.
And you pay for tickets. You pay for tickets in your garages.
We are not secure. Our passengers are in the bush. Our drivers are in the bush by Fulani. Me, my own country, in my own village, somebody will come and dominate me. Let the security people
take charge.
No problem. You guys get there 4 times. 4 times. Put 4 times. Now, if you even check my screen, now they break my screen. I've escaped there 4 times. The 4th one, I was so lucky that as I was coming, the police escort was also coming. So immediately I reached there, the police escort was coming. I opened fire. That is how I escaped the 4th one. I've met them 4 times, 4 good times.
Is it that they blocked the road with a wood or they open fire?
They'll just run. No, they have a danger point.
Okay.
We're about from here to Ehona or from here to Irekpe, there are about almost 6 dangerous points.
Okay.
So immediately you are approaching the place, they will just come out. It's either they will ask you to stop.
Are there not security officials in those places?
There are security officials on the duty.
Yes.
No, what normally happens is that when the officials are out of the road, that is where you normally see them. Even sometime, like 2 or 3 weeks ago now, when the kidnapper was operating, and we met the police. Police told us that kidnappers are operating, we should park.
Yes. That's interesting. Because they're telling you to park.
Those are me at Ogbomudia farm.
Yes.
Another day again, they were operating at that hill. Before that, where SARS used to stay.
Yes.
Before SARS used to stay. The soldier men told us that we should park, that those buses are operating. So we had to park, let them back up and them.
Waiting with a cry for
that's interesting.
Make our government secure our lives.
Yes.
Benin-Wuchi road is no longer safe for us.
No problem.
Nobody Benin-Wuchi road, they don't transfer for here. Yeah. Kidnappers are on the road, policemen are on the road. Why? Let them save our life. Our children are in the bush, our drivers are in the bush. Let them give us security. That's what we are clamoring for. We are not clamoring for any other thing. Security.
In specific names, sir. Can we know the names of these drivers that we are talking about and present in the bush? Do you have their names, please?
Yesterday.
Yes, what is his name, please? AY. Which park is it loading, please? Rama Park, okay. Which vehicle are we talking about here, sir?
Bus, full 18-seater, nobody come out for it.
Since today, they have not seen the driver.
Are we saying about it? Is it about 2 days ago or a day? A month plus.
Yesterday,
I am not heard from the driver. Yesterday,
at
sir.
5 p.m., 3 of the vehicles were attacked here.
Yes.
One of our drivers
was badly injured. He's at the hospital now.
Justice.
The passengers are inside the bush.
Yes.
Yesterday here, that is why we cried out.
Can we know the spot that they were attacked,
This
please?
particular spot here. At
before police checkpoint.
Please let us know the exact point so that the governor will be aware. If we know,
the slope there.
okay.